had spent a lot of time and a lot of money renovating the kitchen. It was great, but when it was all done and we unpacked, it was like there was no organization to it. And even though we had these beautiful custom pieces, I didn't know what to do with it all. And I kind of thought I would feel it out as we lived here, and it became more and more clear I needed a pro. I was feeling kind of stuck with all my stuff. I gotta get a pro in here. I need somebody who's gonna just take all this that's overwhelming me and make it work for me. But I was looking for people that had a lot of good reviews, and then I was going over to Instagram to see who they are and how they were interacting. And when I went, I saw you had this big team, and people were talking about how much you've grown and how long you've been in the business. And I was like, she's the one. She seems like the real deal. It's gonna make our days go smoother, our mornings when we're rushing out the door with the kids. I can see how easy it's gonna be to make lunch. It looks like it's gonna be great for my kids who are getting their own cereal and breakfast in the morning. Just less stressful. And we got rid of so much stuff. I feel like it's almost as good of an investment as the kitchen itself, because this is putting it to good use. It's great that it looks pretty on the outside, but I need to feel like this is truly making my life better and easier. So yeah, it's money definitely well spent. Measuring, took everything out, the space planning, I couldn't have done all that.